Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you that Stampin' Up! Is having a promotion with Paper Pumpkin. You have until September 10th to get on this great deal. You can get your very first Paper Pumpkin subscription for half off. So I wanted to share that with you, and I will make sure I have a link where you can get your subscription and the half off code for you. But I wanted to show some of you who may not know what Paper Pumpkin is, show you what it is. This is the August Paper Pumpkin that I received in the mail, and I have not opened it yet. If you see right here, it says Giftable Greetings, August 2017. I really love that they put that label on there now so that you know exactly what's in each box. I'm going to open this right here, and we will see what's in here. I love the way it's packaged. I'm going to do it this way so you can see. Alright, so for August we have a Night of Navy Stampin' Spot. Each month you will receive at least one Stampin' Spot in each box. So this is like your mini ink pad and Night of Navy. And you will also receive a stamp set. These stamp sets are usually about the size and very easy to store. So that's one great thing about Paper Pumpkin. You can use these stamp sets over and over again, but you don't have to have a huge space to store it. So this one says, with much sympathy, thinking of you, you did it. It means so much. And then you've got a to and from here with some flower petals, it looks like. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Upside down. So this is called Giftable Greetings. It looks like there's a box, and you can make cards and actually put it in the box to give as a gift. Awesome. Oh yeah, so your box is already made for you. Very cute. It's got your ribbon and some string in there, and it looks like some dimensionals. You can see that. And then move the box to the side. Oh, sorry about that. Having a hard time opening it. There we go. Alright, so in each box you will also have some simple step-by-step instructions to help you. And here are some leaf punch-outs. Or little stickers, actually. Those are little stickers. Hope you could see that, but there we go. Little stickers. And these as well. And some glue dots. And then here's some punch outs. Oval already has thanks stamped on them. Some little flowers. And here's your card base. It's already scored for you. All you have to do is fold it right there on the score line. And there's congrats, and some more card bases, and your envelopes. And the envelopes are already decorated for you. And here's some tags as well, and some flower punch outs in 2 different colors. Alright, I also wanted to share with you, when you get your first box, you will each box comes with a block, a clear block. It's a Paper Pumpkin block. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Paper Pumpkin on it. This is a great size. It works with all the stamps in the set that you get, and you will have that for all of your other sets that you get. But so this is August 2017. Giftable Greetings. And later I will have a video of making one or two of the cards so that you can see how easy it is to make these cards. If you're interested in signing up as a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, just click on the link and you will see the code for the 50% off. It is half off 0917. And if you have any questions, please message me and I'll be glad to answer anything. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.